very clear, easy business to run. If you know one or two mechanics that are ready to work with you, you are on your way to start a very great company. Many are frustrated on the road because their cars broke down where they cannot go back, not go forward. And you find out that most of them got robbed, some are killed on the way because there is no help. Now, this is the business. If you can get two mechanics, get a clear sound boss, that the tools you need should be there and some spare parts that when you get to that point where the car owner is, where the car spoiled, you can easily repair. Go online, advertise your business. That way you spread your contact, and then if travelers on the highway, their car got spoiled on the way, they just call you, you get there, and you're going to charge very high because you move from your store, you move from your workshop to that place, and you're going to charge very high. So this is a clear business. If you have a boss with two mechanics that are ready to go with you anywhere, at night, in the morning, at noon, anytime, 24 hours, you are on the road, you are ready to work, you are ready to deliver. So once someone's car broke down on the way, they just call you. You don't need a workshop, you don't need to rent a space. They just call you from your home. You move down with these mechanics that are ready to work with you. I tell you that you are going to work and get tired, and you are going to help a lot of lives, and you will make money. So this is a very clear business for mechanics who are ready to get this money. No need for workshop. Get a boss, a mobile mechanics. You should be mobile. Thank you for watching. If you have not subscribed, please do subscribe. See you in our next video. Bye bye.